In this video, I'll show you how to blur the faces of certain people on your photos using your iPhone 17, 17 Pro and Air. So it's very easy. Okay, go into your photo library, the normal place where you go and look at your photos. Open any pictures with faces. Press this button over here. Select Clean Up. And now you're going to find any faces that, again, you want to blur. Let's say this face over here. And you're going to circle around that face. And it will automatically blur it. Same thing here. I don't want it. So I'll circle around. And just like that, you can blur as many faces as you wish. Once you're done, press Done. Or Reset if you didn't like the result. And it will get saved. So next time somebody looks at these pictures, those faces will be blurred and they won't be able to know who is who. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.